At Case, we've always been committed to putting our customers first. They count on us to deliver what's best for their business. So when the Tier 4 industry emissions mandate came along, our path ahead was clear. We saw more than just a mandate. We saw an opportunity to go beyond compliance, to not simply meet emissions, but to improve our customers' overall business performance.
Our competitors took the easy path to meet Tier 4 interim by applying existing technology, cooled exhaust gas recirculation, CEGR, to all of their equipment.
But we considered the customer first, leveraging our investment in selective catalytic reduction, SCR technology, to develop a more flexible solution that addressed what really matters to equipment buyers: productivity. We were the first to bring SCR to the domestic market, and as the leader in SCR, are helping customers optimize their operation while meeting Tier 4 requirements. Because we all know that there are advantages to both CEGR and SCR. It depends on machine design, operating characteristics, and customer needs. Rather than making them choose, it's our job as a trusted partner to deliver the right technology for the task, so they can focus on getting the job done. Let's take a look at two examples. This is a skid steer loader. Because it has a lower purchase price, skid steer owners will typically trade in their machine rather than invest in new technology or pay for repairs down the road. Also, operators typically run its engine at consistent speeds, producing consistent heat and emissions, which supports an in-engine treatment and diesel particulate filter.
So, CEGR is a better value for this application and just makes the most sense.
Now let's consider a wheel loader. In this case, SCR is the obvious choice, because a wheel loader's tasks are more variable, creating inconsistent engine loads and emissions output. Rather than compromise power, we let the engine do what it does best, run at peak performance,
and then use an after-treatment for emissions.
Because we didn't take a one-size-fits-all approach, we were not only able to develop solutions that meet Tier 4 regulations, but we're also able to deliver greater performance to our customers in 4 key areas: productivity, efficiency, maintenance, and reliability. For our customers, we know productivity matters above all else, because in the end, that's what pays the bills. That's why we designed our emission systems to be easier and more efficient to operate, so our customers can be more productive on the job. With SCR, for example, the only extra step customers have is filling their tanks with diesel exhaust fluid. It's that simple. We also knew efficiency was essential, but not at the expense of power. By considering the cost-to-power ratio of each engine, we developed quieter, more efficient, and cleaner running engines that are just as powerful. We could have just checked the box on meeting emissions, but instead we went a step further. Throughout our Tier 4 development process, we held interactive clinics with more than 100 customers, so they could evaluate systems side by side with our engineers. We listened to their concerns about making our systems simple to operate, maintain, and service. As a result, we improved component access to live up to our reputation of ground-level serviceability, logically grouped service points, and maintenance intervals that meet or beat the competition. Finally, we knew our systems had to be exceptionally reliable so our customers could stay up and running. The biggest thing they'll notice about our transition to Tier 4 is that they won't notice anything at all. Our machines will operate as well or better than they have in the past, and that's our commitment to going beyond compliance. The end result is a lower TCO for them and reduction in carbon footprint for us all, a dual benefit that proves you can count on Case to do what's right for the environment and your business.